What's up guys, today we are looking at a loose whammy bar. This is the one that's just the push in slot, so it's not like the original Lloyd Rhodes where there's like a screw cap connected to it. It just pops in and pops out. But after doing that a lot, what happens is that this moves very freely by itself. So I'll pick it up to show you. It just always falls, you know, with gravity going down the way. So if you're doing like a whammy bar stuff and it keeps flinging down, like some people like to have it stationary so it's, you know, it doesn't move that much. So I'm going to show you today how to make it not so loose, how to tighten it up. So first thing you need to do is you need to pop off. Oh yeah, I'm using an Ibanez Edge Pro. And you need to pop off these plastic sleeves. There's two of them. They're not easy to take off. Oh, there's one. So there's one right there. So first you need to take these off. You can use a screwdriver, or if you've needle nose hair pliers. Whoa, that flew away. So those are the two plastic rings that go on here. The next thing you need, so I'll just set this aside, is plumber's tape, plumbing tape, tape that plumbers use. So what you need to do is you need to grab, so this is very light tape and you can wrap it around. You can wrap it around the whammy bar. I'm try cut this. This should be more than enough. So you need two bits. So what you need to do, this might be a bit much. I might cut this into two. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this into two. Okay. Alright. So you wrap this around. It doesn't have to be neat. What you're doing is you're increasing the space of the sleeves. So I'm going to pop this sleeve back on. Apologies if the video is not in focus. So what I'm doing is I'm putting this plastic ring thing back on. So I put it back on there and it's a lot tighter than before. It's not moving around as much. So you just wrap this plumber's tape around. You don't have to use this tape. You can use a bit of plastic bag. You can use masking tape, but I don't want to put anything sticky here because this will wear, like, this is not a permanent solution. This will still, like, after use, obviously, it will wear down by itself. There's a bit sticking out there, but it's fine. So there we have it. All right, so we're gonna try push this back in again. Oh, I may have put a bit much. It's too much. So you can actually kind of feel the groove. You don't want it to stick out too much. Right here, the plastic sleeve. So the lower one, I put too much of it. So I need to cut that back. You'll have to play around with how much you put in there. Let me just chop off this chunk here. So I'm wrapping it around again. So maybe you need a tiny bit. Okay, that's very tough. So can you see? This doesn't move freely like before. So you can see it stays. So after use, like when you put your guitar back in your case, you usually don't leave the whammy bar on, so you have to take it on and off, and that creates wear and tear, and this will become loose again. But you only need to use a tiny bit of Teflon tape or plumber's tape. You don't need to use that much, as you can see from what I did there. It's just enough so you can move it to a position where you can play freely and grab the bar freely as well. Okay, so I hoped that you found that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments or suggestions, leave them in the comment section down below. I might actually make another video to show you how to use just like a plastic bag. You don't need to even buy this, like just use a little bit of plastic, and I'll show you that in the next video. Let me know if you want to see that video. Thanks for watching. Till next time, bye bye.